Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. I promised to show you anything that could help you get leads and sales for your business. This product is one of those products that's amazing. Luke Maguire does quality programs. So this is Luke Maguire here, telling you a little bit about it. It's called Storymate. So all you have to do is choose a template, add some words, post and convert it into a sale. So there's a bit about Luke. He lives in Australia and he's got many of his students create multiple 6- and 7-figure incomes. So this is one way you too can earn money from Instagram stories. So basically on Instagram, for example, 15 to 25% people swipe up to the call to action link better than emails. So how to use stories to sell and why get this product. You've seen the videos online. This one's really simple. You can get 3 photos, add some words, make it swish in and swish out, and you can actually sell these to other people because you would be the expert, because nobody's got any idea how to create these stories in the first place, and it costs hundreds of and even thousands of dollars to create a video. A lot of people need to save time, don't they? So they can't even figure out how to use it. So let me introduce you to Storymate, what it is. So you can sell the stories, you can take your Instagram people that are on your Instagram to your affiliate offer instantly and your e-com store. So what if you could put a story on and get lots of sales, or even build your email list and chatbot audiences? This product is so amazing. Now I've just watched this video and I'm not sure if it's going to work, but I'll show you how it works. There are several different templates that you can choose from. Then you pick this one, you pick about 3 photos. Then you add some words and that little BRG logo at the end, and you will see it's quite professional looking and it takes less than 2 minutes. Now, if you could create a story in less than 2 minutes that looks really professional, you would want to know how, wouldn't you? So with this product, it's really easy. It's as easy, and Luke Maguire actually does what he says on the tin, because he's done other products which help you get sales. So you can actually, this bit here is when they're cropping a photo. So you can crop photos, you can upload your own photos, and you can put a little logo on the top. So that's a really good big giant photo that she's cropped for the Instagram phone screen. And then she will add this little logo on, look. And then at the very, very end, you will see it's just a couple of photos and a few words, and you can add music, look, which you obviously won't be able to hear on this video. So when you press save, as you can see, look at the little words, they pop up and it's really professional. And the little logo comes up at the very end. It took less than 2 minutes. It's so exciting, this product. I mean, if you want to smash Instagram, choose a template, customize your content, post to convert. I mean, there's nothing else I can say. It's a really excellent product, and you can send users direct to your website on a mass scale. So click the link below if you want more information, and I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoyed this this little video, write the word Storymate below. See you on the next video. Bye.